it to?
Grandma Kim.
Our grandma. She's gonna love it.
Yeah, she's gonna love it, and we're surprising her. She gave me a lot of good toy surprises, and my mom gave me a good breakfast. My Grandma Kim was here.
Yeah, we made pancakes, huh?
Yes, yummy time for pancakes. So we're gonna start the video, and we're gonna start painting now. Hi.
Hi guys, and thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please follow us at Sweet Times with Tiff and Ash on Instagram, and Sweet Times Food, Family, and Fun on Facebook. Alright, so as Asher already mentioned, we're going to be painting a birdhouse. What you will need is we just have a plain wooden birdhouse. It doesn't have to be white. We decided to paint it white first. It was like a wood finish. And we just use some painting tape to prevent the paint from getting on the holder that it's going to hold it up by. And then we have some disposable plates that we use for painting projects. So we just rinse off the extra paint and reuse them when we're done. We used outdoor acrylic paint. You can use any brand of acrylic paint as long as you're going to spray it with some kind of outdoor finish. We also have a finish, it's a permanent satin finish that's moisture resistant. So if it's a wood birdhouse and you're going to be hanging outside, it's probably a good idea to have something that's moisture resistant to at least spray on the outside of the house. And then of course we have paintbrushes because we're painting, and a cup of water to put our dirty paintbrushes in. And then of course hands get messy, so we have a wet paper towel. You can use wet wipes, whatever you have handy. If you have a rag that you want to use, just anything to get extra paint off the fingers so it's not on your chair or tables. Oh, and then we have a surface cover. It's just paper. You can use newspaper. We have a tray that we use sometimes for painting. As you can see, it's nice and covered in paint. But we're just going to use paper for this one. Are you ready to paint?
Yeah.
Let's do it. That one? What color are we doing first? We should either do the top or the bottom first. You want to do the green or the light blue? Green? Okay, move this out of the way. Would you like some help with the green, or do you want me to start on a different color?
And I would like you to, I don't want you to start the colors.
Okay, do you want me to help you with the green then?
Sure.
Okay.
We can do the back.
The back? Scoot it over a little bit. I bet Grandma's gonna love this.
She is. Grandma Kim is gonna love it.
Mm-hmm.
We are doing all the work we're gonna do. see it.
Yeah.
And then the birds will have baby birds.
Yeah. I bet Grammy will take pictures of the birds that move in for us. You think she will?
Yeah.
That would be fun to see what birds move in. Alright, let's get you back.
I hope it's one of those yellow birds. Ooh.
Like a finch?
No, I think we should color that this part light blue.
Light blue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Gotta make it extra pretty.
Okay, let's do it.
Blue, blue, blue.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Sweep the blue and the pond and find the blue ocean with the sharks. Blue.
Oh, you got me. You got me!
All done.
Oh, wow, you did that quick. Maybe we should put some blue on these. Can I put some blue on these? Get that part. Oh, yep, we're all done. All painted.
Yay!
What do you think?
Good. The
Ooh.
birds will move in.
Yeah,
It's so many colors still moving.
it's beautiful.
It's so beautiful. We'll give it to Grant. We'll call Grandma Kim and tell her about it in the morning when it's dry.
No, we're gonna let it be a surprise. She's not gonna know it's coming until it's there. That's how surprises work. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah.